Hey, what's going on everybody? This is Chris, and today I'm going to teach you how to perform a mass mailer attack. Now for those of you who aren't familiar with what a mass mailer attack is, I'll provide you with a very simplified definition. It's the act of sending an email to a large quantity of recipients, and it's typically used in phishing attacks and when spamming. So before we begin, the first thing you need to do is create an email list. And I've uploaded a tutorial called How to Harvest Email Addresses with MSF Console. I'll place a link in the description. And what MSF Console does is it goes and searches the web for email addresses, and then it collects those email addresses and places them into an email list for you. It's a very simple process, and once you've completed it, meet me back here. So you can see here I have an email list placed on my desktop. I'll go ahead and open it up to show you what it looks like. And it's one that I manually created for this tutorial. And this is a very small email list. If you were to use the email harvesting method that I showed you in my previous tutorial, you'll have a much larger email list. So I'm going to go ahead and close that out. Now what we want to do is we want to open a terminal. And in terminal we're going to type SE-TAC Toolkit, press enter, and this is going to boot set. Now if you're using Backtrack 5, you'll want to go ahead and just navigate into your applications menu and open set manually. Now in the first set menu we're going to select option 1, which is social engineering attacks, so enter 1 and press enter. And in the second menu we're going to select option 5 for mass mailer attack, so enter 5 and press enter. Now in the third set menu we're going to use option 2, which is email attack mass mailer, so enter 2 and press enter. Now we need to specify the path to our email list, and an easy way of doing this is simply dragging your email list into the terminal and dropping it. However, I'm going to manually enter it. So I'm going to type /root/desktop with an uppercase D, /, and then I'm going to enter the name of my email list, which is emailtacklist.txt. Press enter. Now we're going to select option 1, which is use a Gmail account for your email attack. So enter 1 and press enter. Now we need to enter the Gmail email address that we're going to use. For this tutorial I'm going to use hackthis.ch@gmail.com. Press enter. Now you can specify the name that you want your recipient to see when they receive your email. I'm going to use hacker. Press enter. Now you need to enter your Gmail account password. When you're finished, press enter. Now you have the option to specify whether or not you want to flag your email as a high priority. I'm going to say no. Press enter. Now you need to enter the subject of your email. I'm simply going to use mass mailer. Press enter. Now you have the option to send your email as an HTML or a plain text email. I'm going to use P for plain text and press enter. Now we need to enter the body text of our email, and if you look at the bottom line of my terminal, you'll notice that the text is overlapping itself. This is one of the bugs that I found in the new Kali Linux, and there's nothing that I can do about it, so you'll have to bear with me. Once you finish entering the body text, if you're using Mac, you'll want to press Command-C. If you're using a Windows PC, you'll press Control-C to send the email. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to type in the body text now. I'm simply going to say, hello, my name is Chris, how are you? And once you finish entering the body text, again, if you're using Mac, you'll press Command-C. If you're using a Windows PC, you'll press Control-C. So I'm going to go ahead and press Command-C. And you can see it's begun sending the emails to the different email addresses in my email list. And you can see there that the emails were successfully sent. So when you're finished, all you need to do is press enter, and that will take you back to Set's main menu. So that's it, guys. That's how you perform a mass mailer attack. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.